What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you something really interesting. This, Obi, what are you doing? You wanna come see a magic trick? This is Obi. Obi, look. See this pen? See this pen? Now this, Obi, yeah, this distorts reality. You can see that? Now watch this. I'm gonna make the pen actually invisible. Now you can see my fingers, and this is not a camera trick. This is exactly what you're seeing in real life. You can see my fingers through there, but as you see, I can start to distort reality using this little piece of plastic. You can kind of see it get distorted here. You see how that's distorting? Watch this. And now the pen is also distorted. Look at that. Obi, look at that. Are you not amazed? Are you not impressed? Are you not impressed? You like magic? Okay, all right. Oh, go follow my dog on Instagram. It's good boy Obi. He'll be happy, right Obi? You'll be happy? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back. Hope you enjoyed that intro. By the way, if you guys want to learn that trick, that is Luber's lens. I'll try and find the link and leave it below. Really neat physics trick that acts as a magic trick as well. I've been absent for a few days. I didn't post on Monday. I know I'm already straying from my schedule, but I'm back on schedule now. I had a bit of a fever, wasn't feeling so good, so I would rather skip those days so I can be back in top shape and top form. Especially today because we're looking at a rather complicated puzzle. This is the Binary Puzzle Box by Karakuri Creation Group. Now, the Karakuri Creation Group in Japan is a collection of puzzle creators, Japanese puzzle creators, who handcraft all of these puzzles. This puzzle requires 32 moves to solve successfully. It has a binary sequence, which means that there is a pattern. It's not just random shifting and solving. It's actually a pattern, and I'm guessing once you discover that pattern, it becomes a lot easier and more comprehensible. If you want to solve it for yourself, I'll leave the link below. They're not cheap, they're about 150 bucks. You can check it out. If not, you can check out all the other puzzles on Art of Play or Puzzle Master. That's where I get all of my puzzles. I'll leave those links below. So many links below today. Let's get into solving this binary puzzle box. This is the binary puzzle box. Looks simple enough. Now every side of this puzzle shifts. It has 32 moves to open. So to help me identify what side is which, I've cut out a bunch of numbers that we're going to use to label each side and help us sort of remember this pattern and maybe hopefully discover this pattern to be able to open this box. The first thing we're going to do is check out all the sides to make sure to find the one that slides. So this one slides. Let's just put that back to see if there's another one that also slides. So nope, that is the only one. And I'm going to label, sorry, I had a timer out, didn't start it, there we go. I'm going to label the first one as obviously 1. Now, 1 was the only one that was sliding open. Hopefully this, there we go. Now we have number 2. We're gonna label that as number 2. Boosh. And now because number 1 and 2 are slid apart, will any of these slide? And the answer is no. Here we are. So here's our first pattern. 1 moves, 2 moves. I'm guessing 1 goes back, and now this is where the next one slides open. Not sure that that's a full move. Maybe it is. Yeah. And this we're going to label as number 3. So far the pattern has been 1, 2, 1, 3. I'm assuming we're gonna go back to 1 here. Let's try 1, maybe 2 again. Put the 1 back. That's not really working out. Okay. Get the 1 back up. Huh. Oh, now the 1's stuck. Oh no, it's not. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3. One, 2, 1, 3. I would say 1 again. 1, 4. It sounds like a obvious pattern, but doesn't seem to be it. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 3. 1, 4. One, 2, 1. No, now we're back to the beginning. Okay. Okay. All right. So 1, 2, 1, 3. Maybe. Okay, 2 doesn't move anymore. Okay, so that does leave us with 1. 1. 2, 1, 4. Boom. Ooh, that's cool. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. So far. Let's see if any of the other ones move. No. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. I mean, naturally, 1. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 3. 1. How did 2 go back down? 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 5. Yeah! Wow, okay. Here we go. That's actually really cool. 1, 2, 1, 5. So therefore, it would have to be 1. 1 is like the catalyst here. 1. 4 goes back. No. Oh. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 3. 1, 2, 1. 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1, 2, 1, 6. Let's go. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Boom. Damn, boy. That's actually awesome. All right, I'm actually pretty stoked that I was able to figure out a binary pattern logically and not just randomly. Hoorah. That's actually really pog, dude. Look at that. Look at the intricate inside of this thing. Can you believe that? Good thing I numbered them as well. Otherwise, there would be no figuring it out. Let me put a last number on that little guy over here. Yeah, otherwise, randomly, like, yeah, this would take you ages to open. On the site, Dan and Dave said it took them 3 days. Because this was a binary puzzle code, that does give it away a bit, so there is a sequence to follow. And I think logically, so let's try and close this up and see if we can actually get this to close. Now, which side does this go on? Hold on. I think this goes like so. Yeah. That'd be cool if it just closed up. All right, so 6. So now we got 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1. No, that's supposed to be 5. Oops. No, 4, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. What? No. You're supposed to close. There you go. 5. And now we're on 4. So we go backwards. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 4. Now we're on 3. And going back again, that's 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. There we go. We're back. I mean, 1, 2. I don't have to really see. 2's locked, and now whatever. Boom, baby. That is the binary puzzle. I'm really quite happy that I figured that out that quickly. I literally blocked off my day, assuming that this would take me a lot longer. I'm really glad it did not. Binary puzzle. I swear to you, if this was named the Mystery Secret Puzzle Box, I'd be a little bit more concerned. But because of, let me stop this, because of the fact that it is a binary system, as a number system, it just made sense to me to put labels on this. I don't think that's cheating. I think that helps me solve the puzzle. I think I would have solved it anyways. It would just probably take me a lot longer had I not numbered them. Anyways, yeah. I just want to see how fast I can do this from start to finish. So, like a Rubik's Cube. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 6. Boom. That took me like 30 seconds. Try it again. Let's close it. It's 1, 2, 1. Oops. Come on. 1, 3. 1, 2, 1. 4. 1, 2, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 5. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 4. 1, come on, 2, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1. There we go, boom. And that took me about 45 seconds. So, boom, I know this puzzle by heart. I am so happy. Yay, algorithm. All right, guys, that was it. Honestly, 10 minutes is all it took for me to solve it. I can now do it by heart. I can probably even do it without the stickers. Now, the stickers, I don't know if that, like, maybe you guys can let me know if that's like considered cheating. I found with the stickers and the number system, I found it to be really easy and comprehensible, because then I could discover a pattern. Without it, I don't know which side is which, so I would really think that this puzzle would be really hard to solve without doing that little trick. That being said, super smart. Like, if you look at the inside of this box, I mean, you can see the detail in how they created this, and like, how does anyone even come up with this? Like, you have the idea, and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna reverse engineer that idea and make it with my hands, and that is insane to me. So kudos to the creator. Good place to hide paraphernalia if you're into that type of thing. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and like it. Comment below. Also, some really crazy news coming up. I'm going to LA for another YouTube summit. This is something we've done a few times before with like 10 other magicians, where we rent a big house, create content together, and that's coming up in the next few weeks. As well as I mentioned on my Instagram, I am currently creating my own headquarters. So a bigger office space, a bigger space for me to work in, and it's coming along rather nicely. And I can't wait to show you guys. So stay tuned for that as well in the next coming weeks. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.